Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make custard jelly cups, a refreshing summer dessert that is very easy and simple to make. For 2 cups of dessert, we will need half packet of strawberry jelly, 1 tablespoon vanilla custard, 200 ml milk, 200 ml boiling water, 100 ml whipping cream, 3 biscuits, 2 tablespoons powder sugar. Put half a packet of jelly powder in a bowl, add 200 ml boiling water and mix well. Pour it into the cups and let it set in the fridge for about 3 hours, or follow your jelly powder instructions as it may vary. In a pan, put 1 tablespoon of vanilla custard powder. Take 200 ml milk and pour a little bit of milk into the pan. Mix well until there are no lumps. Then add the remaining milk and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix it thoroughly. Turn on the gas at low flame and keep mixing until it thickens and start bubbling. Then turn off the stove. Let it cool. After that, fill it in a piping bag. Meanwhile, crush the biscuit in a grinder and set them aside. Once the jelly has set, add the crushed biscuit on top of the jelly and pipe the custard on top of the biscuit. Then set aside. Take whipping cream straight from the fridge. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar or according to your choice. Slowly increase the speed until it thickens and hold its shape. Stop whipping to avoid over whisking. Finally, fill the whipped cream into the piping bag and pipe it on the top of the custard. Now look at this. Our mouth-watering delicious custard jelly cups are ready. Please give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching my video.